crossing some river. Yo, man, I'm gonna be wet like shit. Delhi, possibly go down?
Yes.
Yeah, we go. All right. So day 58. I just visited the TAMUL waterfall and going back by this kind of road. Yeah. Next is Aug-Dec cave.
Sunset I spent by the cave, Sotano de las Golondrinas. It is a natural air hole in the landmass 62 meters wide and 370 meters deep, where swallows sleep. At this time of the day, the birds return home. At first, they circle above, descending slowly, until at last, like bullets, they rush down through the hole and disappear in the darkness.
Buenas noches, muchachos and bonitas. It's getting very slow because I'm just exploring this area. I'm in San Luis Potosi province. There's some waterfalls and then this Golondrinas or whatever, Drinas cave. And you don't see anything. They just hang you on the rope. You just look over. And that's it. I mean, that's huge hole. It's like 350 meters. It's crazy. But and the birds, I stay there to watch the birds going inside. And the birds, they just, you know, like one by one. I thought they're gonna be like all together. Anyway, tomorrow Mexico City, planning on the way to visit some pyramids, some garden. Maybe I'll do some video. And this dog is barking at me, I don't know why. Just came out of nowhere and started barking at me. What do you want? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? Huh? Right, enough barking, right? Enough. I don't know what to say, there's nothing to say. So far I like it, you know, it's kind of down to earth place, you know. People are simple, polite. So I'm gonna eat some res soup, some sausages, chopped sausages and some sunflower seeds, my personal recipe. And then I don't know, let's see. Rest or do some video, maybe know. Okay. See you tomorrow.